Remote control.
Trust the machines. Surrender to them. They work, and they work for you. Do you want to feel? To not feel? Do you want to be happy? Do you want to fly away? Do you want to not think? Do you want to be beautiful? Do you want to be superhuman? Do you want to live forever? Behold the ascension of man by himself, so self-sufficient, so godlike. He's created the machines not to have to do anything anymore. It's all here in the world. There's nothing more. This is reality. We have scientific proof. There's nothing more. Listen to us, machine makers. We know. Technology is salvation. There's nothing more.
Curse the black mantra of the controllers, which hitherto the mass believes, having learned it, heard it, smelled it, touched it, tasted it, bought it, drunk it, eaten it, breathed it, used it, and very much abused it ad infinitum. Alas, they know indeed how to round up the flock, make every number in it work for the machines that work for them, make them want them, give up their life and soul for them. Insects caught in the gossamer threads of the spider web. They can't see what's going on, focused on the cheap tricks. Enthrallment by appearances. The spell the spiders put them under, distracting most from the truth, making them forget what they really are, where they come from, and where they're going to. Their power, their nature, their light, what they came here for.
May you never discover this world is the illusion, and that true reality is beyond it, infinitely wider.
Aware they've been from the beginning, certainly, that it's all about the spirit. In their case, the voracious though concealed consumption of it. They iterate, technology is salvation, therefore it is damnation in truth. We were meant to grow in spirit all along. All along, they've stunted us and turned our eyes down to the dirt, while they pushed us ever so stealthily to the edge of the abyss. Our final extermination through our blind complacence and their machines. We were meant to go one way, the right way, and they diverted us their way, the wrong way. Nevertheless, I'm saying this, they haven't won just yet.